So many playthings. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one is the cola drink. Do you know, kids, that they all are erasers? Wow! You can also open it. The second one is French fries. Do you like to eat French fry crates? I'm sure that you like it. This is a potato chips. Third one is a pizza slice. Green color topping and red color topping. And the last one is a fruit cake. You can say it a birthday cake. Now join them again. Now cola drink is ready for you. Tasty and delicious French fries. Now decorate the birthday cake. Which flavor do you like most, kids? Now add the cheese and topping.
Yeah.
Now keep them aside. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
Oh wow, color pens! So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Our first color is light green. Second color is orange. Third color is yellow. Fourth color is green. Fifth color is sky blue. Sixth color is blue. Seventh color is red. Eighth color is purple. And our last color, ninth color, is pink. Let's learn alphabets. Purple color. J. J for jackfruit. Jackfruit is a fruit. Red color. K. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo is an animal. Green color. L. L for lotus. Lotus is a flower. Our next color is yellow. M. M for mango. Mango is a fruit. Sky blue color. N. N for nightingale. Nightingale is a bird. Pink color. O. O for orange. Orange is a fruit. Light green color. P. P for peacock. Peacock is a bird. Orange color. Q. Q for quail. Quail is also a bird. Our last color is blue. R. R for rose. Rose is a flower. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.